Alright guys, we're back with another episode of this thing, and keep in mind I'm only going to be building one side, so just basically copy it on the other side, like last year. Alright, so episode 3 should be the final episode. Pretty much we'll be finishing this episode, so if you want to have the 8 different sections, basically 2 seconds in each 4 corners. So into this, like I showed you in the last video, what we're going to do is we're going to like this. I'll hop in there. I just have a chest here, just conserve hoppers. Alright. So when you do this, you're going to want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 blocks like that. There should be 6 hoppers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just put your hoppers like facing this way. Make sure they're not facing down. You don't want them to face down. You want to face them sideways. Alright. So, for the poppy filter, which we're going to start on now, what we're going to do, place a block here on the wall. Boom. Oops. Alright. Hopper right there. Facing that way. And the 4th one. 3, 4. Hopper. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have like that. Go 2 blocks out. And block below it like this. Then you place a block and basically just actually 3 blocks out. And then you're gonna make a star right here. Like that. So it looks something like that, and then boom. It's a hole, and there's 3, and there's like a hole. So 3, and then there's a hole. Like that. So let me get a torch out. Alright, so what you're gonna do, torch, redstone torch right here. Right here. And then go and place a block on here, the hopper, that. And then you put some block below it. Another hopper. And do 3 hoppers facing down like that. Alright. So you have the outside hoppers and the 3 hoppers facing down. And then you want to put a repeater facing towards the redstone torch, like that, towards the redstone torch, like that, and then you want to have a comparator, and you want to be making sure you're looking away from the opposite way of this, so like that, and that. You don't want to turn it on, you don't want to turn on this thing at all. Then get some redstone, redstone it up like that. That's all I have to do. Simple as that. Alright. So now we're going to build off from over here. And I'm actually going to be making the floor higher than this. I said it's going to be 50 blocks. I'll tell you the exact amount of blocks at the end of the video of how high this thing needs to be, depending on how much storage you want. But I'll make it a really big storage. And you guys, of course, will have to make it as big. Alright, so I'm going to do that. And you're going to have the hoppers go out like that, right? So let's make it 10 wide. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. The hoppers like this, like that, like this. Do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9, 10, and then one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. Super easy, super simple. And now what you want to do is, let me do this real quick. Go ahead and fix this form real quick. So we just want to make 5 high storage. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So, alright. So I'll tell you the exact number of blocks as this needs to be, but it's basically the rooms just need to be this big. Alright, so then once you do this, then you wanna actually take your chest. Making this flashing room really big, you always can make it smaller. And I just like having my chest all pointing one way. It makes it look nicer. That's 6, I don't remember. 5, I guess like that. And then it's alternate trap and normal chest like this. Like that, and it's gonna build up all these chests. Now this thing does take a lot of hoppers, so it's recommended that you try buying hoppers for cheap and age. Just for garden blazes and whenever you have case spiders, just get hoppers. Start saving up on hoppers. But I think it's well worth it for the poppy filter. It's not having to deal with poppies saves you hours and hours in the future, and it's well worth it. Alright, so I'm gonna build up all these chests, and this is gonna be for half the storage. This isn't even for the other half on this quarter. So I'm gonna have the same thing right there. Then you just wanna put hoppers spacing into the chest. Yes. You can always make this 4 high, 3 high, less wide. If you want to make it less wide, then just make this less wide. Make it shorter by just, raising up the ground, or not even raising up the ground, just going like that, making a floor, something like that. So you don't have as much collection, but if you have lots of ideas for it in the future, you're going to want more collection, but it really doesn't matter for now. Alright, let's do this on this side now. Which way do we have? Alright, we have the chest facing this way. You don't wanna put chests on this one right here. You want to start this one. That's another thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, just like that. I'm trying to hurry up on this. Alright, so for your collection room, and then after this we gotta make the poppy destroyer, so just get rid of all the poppies. Alright. Hopper all this stuff up. And a little bit closer to this. Alright, so now we have all this. Set up. I'm gonna get some iron now. I'll show you guys how clone showed you guys in the video how there's actually iron in this thing right here. So basically, what you want to do is just to set it up. You just want 2 stacks of, or 1 stack of iron per section, which is there's 2 on each quadrant. And what you do is just, I don't think you actually let me use the iron. Alright, so it won't let me use iron, but I will use another block if I can't use iron. Let's do iron ore. Alright, so I'm going to drag it like this. Right click drag, and then place right there. What we'll actually do is just let in however much it needs to. Actually, let's do it like that. And boom, it should stop. Shouldn't go anymore. As there's no input, because there's no actually I designed. I'm just using iron ore to illustrate because the iron is not letting us get to use. As you can see, the iron ore should be here. And the chests fill from here, from the bottom right, or like the corner. Well, I'm so stupid. They fill from the corner, and they go here up, and then they go one over, down to the bottom, up. Kind of like a book, but it starts at the bottom and goes up, up, goes up, goes up like this. So like the very last chest piece will be this one. This will be the very first one to be filmed. Alright, so that's basically how you just do that, and then after you do this, you want to go extra 2 blocks this way. Let's go like this. I need dispenser. Alright, let's make this real fast. Let's put the dispenser here. Once you make this, you're going to do this, just go 2 wide like this, and if there's a platform, this goes 5 by 5. So you know what? Actually want to go like this. I need to make this so like this. Alright, once you have this, then you want to put a comparator here. 1, 2, repeater, redstone, comparator, turn the comparator on, redstone. Like this. Here. Blocks. This. Lava. This. Lava in here. Boom. And now I'll show you guys what will happen. So, let's get some poppies out. Stack of poppies. Put in inventory. Alright, say it comes from this chest. Actually, it's burst out. Look, it's just gonna come. Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to see it. Or like, boom. So it doesn't really show it, but it's actually going right past here. It's going right past here, and it's going this dispenser. Alright. So since there's iron in here, it won't overflow or underflow or whatever. The poppies won't go in there, so I'll skip over here into here, and then once it gets to 44, then what will happen is this thing will go from 1 to 2, turning on the repeater, turning on the comparator, going like that, and once it goes under 40 or whatever, then it'll stop dispensing it. Basically, I just want to do this on this other side real quick. I'll do it real quick. So basically that's how you do it. I'm sure you guys can figure out how to do it. Again, for this video, I need to start wrapping up this video. Alright, so if you guys like this video, like these 3 videos, little series of how to make it, tutorial, what you guys want to do is you guys want to make this on every single side. It's kind of a time consuming thing, but when you get bored, it's really not that difficult. So yeah, let me just finish this up real quick, and then I'll end the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'll make sure to subscribe, because I will be posting often, at least probably, once I get some editing software and stuff. So yeah, let's get some poppies and show you guys how it works. Show you guys it works. Boom, poppies. Boom, just like that works. And it won't go in here. Alright guys, you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.